Susan Davis, one of my favorite people in the entire world.
I think Susan likes challenges, and I think she accomplished an awful lot in Connecticut. I was excited as heck when I found out she was coming to Pensacola, Florida.
You know, Susan likes to say, I'm a nurse that just happens to be a CEO.
I think that brings a unique perspective because nurses are really the first line in hospitals. They provide most of the care to patients.
When she sees a patient that's not had the best experience, when she feels a clinical outcome could have maybe been a little bit better, when she sees an employee didn't have the best experience, when she sees a physician is upset, she takes things personally.
Her style connects very well with individuals. We've got a lineman that works for Gulf Power Company whose son was in a terrible accident and was in Sacred Heart for weeks. And through some conversations that Susan and I had, she made a point to connect individually with that family. And she was moved by that, but I can tell you the family was far more moved by that.
She walks her talk. I think a story that comes to mind when I first worked with her, we had the big flood. There were a lot of individuals that couldn't get to the hospital. She had a place out on Pensacola Beach, an interim place until her home was built. She found a way to get to the hospital and because she wanted to be there with the employees and also help with the patients. She could not get home for a couple of days, so she slept on a cot in her office.
And she connected with this family in a way that all of her teammates at Sacred Heart would be proud of. She would give them full credit for the success story that was this young man.
And she really leads Sacred Heart. I think she is loved by the staff, the staff leadership, all the associates, the medical staff, and she's very much a patient advocate and an advocate for both the patients and their families.
When she makes a promise, she keeps it.
Congratulations, Susan. This is a very well-deserved award.
Thank you for all you do in Pensacola. Thank you for what you do for all the people that need the services of your hospital.
This region will be better for many years to come.
So thank you for being a partner in healthcare, and thank you for being one of my mentors. I appreciate it. You're one of my heroes.